Ever been told that cracking your knuckles will ruin your joints? Let's find out the truth. Many believe that cracking your knuckles can cause arthritis. But guess what? It's just a myth. Studies show no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The popping sound? Just harmless gas bubbles in your joint fluid. Research comparing regular knuckle crackers to non-crackers found zero increased risk of arthritis. So next time someone tells you to stop cracking your knuckles, you can confidently say it's a myth. Want more fun myth busting? Hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next Truth or Myth episode.